Hello, YouTube, Blooms, and everyone on the internet. In today's video, I'll be reacting to the Beanie Podcast, episode 4. Hopefully, you guys enjoy this. I've been loving the podcast so far. There's been a lot of interesting topics and sort of discussions that we have with the group, with the members. I like that they do go into topics that we don't usually talk about. So it's nice for us Blooms to know these things. Let me know what you guys have been thinking of episode 1, 2, and 3. All those reactions on my channel if you guys want to go and check those out. Let's get into it. I'm loving the podcasts. Let's go. What are we? I-B-I-N-I, Beanie.
Podcast na mawalang
Love that intro. Love it. Harmony.
2, 3.
So good.
Mabuhay! Hi, I'm Billy Mika.
Hi!
Mika and Stacy.
And we are Mixie! At ito ang
Mixie. So that's the name of the
podcast
show.
na walang jowa.
Mixie. I didn't know that. It's nice to know.
Buhay!
Hi, I'm Billy Mika.
Hi, I'm Beanie Stacy. And we are Mixie!
At ito
Yeah.
ang
Podcast na mga walang jowa. So, ano tayo?
So
Biglang
what
ganun.
are we?
Ano nga ba tayo, Mix? We
Ano?
are a Beanie. Charot.
We are a duo. Wow!
Duo.
We are... Pero ano nga, bakit so ano tayo? Ano bang... Anong
Ikaw, ano yung una mong naiisip pag narinig mo yung word, narinig mo yung ano tayo? So, ano tayo talaga? Ganun.
Siyempre, tinatanong mo
Yeah.
kung ano yung...
What is the first thing I think of when I hear what are we? It's such a weird title. Or what are we as humans? What are we on Earth to this group? What are we in relation to other people? I don't know. What are we?
label nyo. Kasi di ba,
Shucks.
yun talaga yung kailangan mong malaman if you're like...
I feel like this could be a really
someone
deep
or
episode.
getting
I don't know.
yourself
Kapag may
into
ka-MU
something.
ka, ganun.
Oo.
Pag
Minsan,
high school.
hindi pa nga label, hindi pa nga MU yung label nyo eh. So ano nga ba?
Ano nga ba talaga?
Ang dami kasing definition of terms na hindi natin alam ngayon kasi ang dami ng mga terms na ginagamit sa generation natin.
It's true.
Hindi
Yung
alam.
ganun, friends with benefit.
Like Gen Zs and all the like shortened words nowadays, I honestly can't keep up anymore.
Platonic soulmates.
Or situationship. Ah,
Situationship.
Feeling ko
That
yun
one
talaga
gets
yung
thrown around a lot.
pinakauso
Totoo.
ngayon for me, I feel like.
Ikaw ba, napunta ka na ba sa setup na tinanong mo yung kausap mo or ka-MU mo na ano ba talaga tayo? Huy, parang ganun.
Siyempre, pre-beanie.
Wow, freebie.
Pre-beanie.
Ooh.
Siyempre,
Everyone,
na-experience ko na yan, guys.
everyone has all these experiences pre-Beanie. And I get it, because obviously when they sign the contract, they can't have any sort of relationship, and like a lot of other stuff gets cut out of their life because they need to focus obviously on the group.
Guys, like, sobra.
But it's cool to hear about what happened pre-Beanie.
Tinanong mo siya.
Experience ko na yan, guys. Like, sobra.
Wow.
Ah!
Tinanong mo siya kung ano, kung
Oo, kasi syempre, if you're gonna get yourself into this, you need to have a stand and you should, of course, know your worth. So,
Tama.
syempre naman, kailangan
Tama.
mong tanungin yon. Hindi man pwede ginagawa ko lang to for fun unless yun lang talaga yung hanap nyo, di ba?
ano bang ginagawa ng
Mm.
mga ano, kunwari di nyo pa alam kung ano talaga kayo. Pero yung the way kayo mag-act, parang magjowa kayo, pero wala pa kayong level. Label.
Alam mo,
Wala pa kayong level. Label.
alam mo
Oh.
yung tawag doon?
Ano?
Situationship.
Ah,
Yun na
totoo
yun.
ba?
Situationship, parang
Ano ba
in
meaning
between
nun?
ka eh. Situationship, it means like,
So I guess what we're covering in this episode, what are we? Situationship, not really knowing what the relationship is. Lots of like gray area. I get that.
hindi kayo, pero parang kayo
Parang
na
kayo.
rin.
Oo.
Parang friends lang kayo na, parang kayo, yung magjowa kayo,
Yung- oo. Yung mga
nagde-date
ginagawa
kayo.
nyo,
Oo.
parang magjowa talaga. Pero pag tinanong kayo ng tropa nyo, ay, ano ba kayo ni ganito, ganyan? Ah,
Oh.
wala pa
Oh, wala lang to, friends
We're
lang,
just
ganun.
talking, gano'n. We go out, gano'n. We
Oo.
date.
We date. Parang, feel ko feelings siya. Parang you're friends with feelings. You know that you like each other. Pero,
Nahihiya kayong umamin.
hindi sa nahihiya.
Ano?
Feeling ko, takot mag-commit. Yung gano'n.
Ay, oh my God, shucks. No to takot mag-commit. Parang if ikaw magsabi ko.
feeling, feeling ko, gets ko naman, may mga taong
Oo.
takot mag-commit. Kung takot sila
Hindi pa
mag-commit,
ready.
I think, yeah, for me, like commitment is honestly hard. I I'm too young. I'm definitely not going to commit to anything long term now. But I feel like you don't really get to pick that. It all depends on who you end up in your relationship with. Some I feel like some people will just come along into your life and you'll be like, flip, wait, this actually is the one person who I want to spend a long time with. So like I feel like you don't really get to pick that, but you could have like an iron rule. I'm only doing short relationships, not proper commitments.
Dapat maging honest sila from the
Especially when you're young.
start.
I think
Ganon.
that's
Kaysa sa
good.
yung
If you want to
you're gonna
explore,
lead on
have
the girl
fun.
or the guy. Kasi,
Totoo, parang ang hirap kasi like kunwari,
mm-mm.
kausap mo yung taong to, tapos confused pa kayo pareho or ikaw lang yung confused. Parang one-sided lang, parang sinasabi mo sa iba na, parang oo, magka-MU kami. Pero yung guy or girl parang sinasabi na parang, hindi kami, parang something like
Oo,
that.
nagiging confusing siya.
Tama.
So, with confusion, syempre yung mind mo, naiinis ka na rin sa guy or girl. Ade,
Parang ang daming experience ni Mika. Ang dami. Parang, tumama po si Mika sa TV. So sorry. Okay. Ikaw ba, paano mo ba hinandle yung mga ganong situation mo nun? Nung pre-bini ka?
Parang ang feeling ko you have to make a choice whether you're going to adjust yourself. Bale, for me, ayoko mag-adjust. Siguro at some point, trinay kong mag-adjust. Pero, narealize ko sa sarili ko na hindi ito pwede sa akin. Hindi pwede sa akin na you want only the fun. You just want like, the
What
fact
what do you
that
what do you
you're
want out of
May
the
kasama ka,
relationship?
may ka-late night talks ka, may
Oo.
ka-sleep on call ka,
Or
ganun.
like, pagdating sa mga obligations, responsibilities, commitment, parang hindi pwedeng hindi mo yun gagawin. Tapos gagawin mo yung pagmasaya lang. Yung ganun.
Parang mga, kunwari kapag yung mga red flag sa guy, parang sinasabi na parang, girlfriend mo lang siya kapag convenient. Ganun.
Ganun. Pag convenient lang, ganun.
Only when they want something
Ako ba
from
di
you,
mo tatanungin?
then
Wala
they'll
ka bang
use
questions
you.
for me?
My question for you is, do you know the meaning of soft launch?
Question. Oo naman!
What's that?
Soft launch, ibig sabihin, kunwari low-key kayo, ganun, tapos hindi nyo pa nire-reveal
Oo.
sa buong mundo na may jowa ka or jowa mo si ganito, ganyan. So parang, kunwari, magpo-post ka sa IG, sa Twitter, sa IG, Twitter na kunwari, kumakain ka tapos may isa pang plate. So ganyan yung parang, yun ba? Yun ba yung gusto mong tanongin? Soft launch?
or ano,
Is that something that a lot of people do? Soft launches? I don't think I've ever like really tracked that over people's like social media or anything like that. I feel like you gotta look really deeply into things if it's a soft launch, right?
parang papakita mo lang yung likod ng guy or may ano tawag dito yung mga low-key photos ng
Low-key,
couples.
oo. Kunwari, nasa loob ng kotse, tas sapatos lang nung guy yung papakita mo,
Oo,
gano'n.
gets. Ganun yung soft launch, okay.
Bakit mo tinatanong? Sa akin?
Wala.
Keeping it
ito
hidden
yung mga
and not
terms
fully
na-
revealing
na
the partner.
Nag-uusapan natin ngayon na parang
Okay.
uso ngayon. Kasi,
Mm.
di ba
Tama.
lately, like a lot
Trying
of
to get
friends-
some
Oo, a lot of
impressions
couples
out of
na
that.
Hindi, ayaw nila like publicly, like
Low-key,
posting.
gano'n.
Public but private.
Tama.
Tama ba yun? Hindi.
Ay, pwede. May mga ganun. Pero
Oo.
most of the time, parang ayaw talaga nila.
Gets. Pero with more research, eto na.
Nag-research po kami ni Nix. May kopya. Ano ba yung mga nasa notebook mo?
Ayan. Pag-uusapan na natin to.
Wait,
Ano?
closing
Ano yung
notebook?
number 1?
So, do you prefer officially dating or casually dating?
Ako talaga, kasi I date to marry. So, gusto ko talaga yung kapag may jowa.
Okay, Stacy. So Stacy's super serious. If she's going to get into dating, it needs to be to marry.
Kasi I date to marry. So, gusto ko talaga yung kapag may jowa ako, gusto ko siya na
What I feel like
ipapakasal
Mika is
ko.
just the opposite.
Di bale na sa akin yung parang
Maybe she's just still young and she
Parang
wants to
naniniwala
explore.
ka ba sa
I don't know.
love, ganyan. Paano kapag hindi kayo yung tinadhana, ganun. Parang ako yung mindset ko kasi I date to marry.
Yeah.
Gusto ko siya na yung forever,
Gets.
ganun. Kaya gusto ko talaga official. Like, may label, meron lahat. Kayo talaga, pag tinanong kayo, oo, boyfriend ko siya, girlfriend ko siya, ganun.
So, never mo na try like Date for fun, ganon.
Siyempre na-try ko nung bata pa ako, immature pa ako noon. So,
Nung
high school kami noon. So, meron ako naka-MU. So, mutual
Oo.
understanding siya. Grade 7 ako noon, to siya grade 9. So, parang yung ginagawa namin noon, magka-chat kami, mag-uusap tuwing gabi, ganun. Tapos nagvo-Viking kami pag may foundation day sa school. Ganun. So, parang yun lang naman yung so far
It's
experience
quite
ko when
cute.
it comes to puppy love, ganyan.
Oo.
Ikaw ba, na-try mo na ba? For fun lang talaga, na pinagtripan mo yung tao, Mika, umamin.
Uy, umamin? Grabe to Hindi naman. Hindi naman ako nagka-casually dating. Feeling ko at some point, trinay ko lang siya. Parang, sige, bahala na. Whatever happens, happens. Just go with the flow. Kasi parang there's a point in your life na parang ayaw mo naman na maging seryoso palagi, ganun.
Hindi ka pa ready mag-commit nung time.
Tsaka feeling ko rin, ang dami kong kailangang gawin sa buhay ko na parang hindi ko pa pwede yun i-prioritize, you know? So, it's
Tama.
like, ito muna kailangan kong i-prioritize. Yeah, this,
Buti na lang pre-bini mo sila na-experience. Kasi ngayon nang
Oo.
bini ka na, wala nang time.
oo, wala na talagang time. As in, like, ang dami kong kailangan isipin kapag bini, isipin ko pa yung studies ko, isipin ko pa, ikaw.
Okay, what's number 2?
Okay, so what do you think about crossing the line? Kasi a lot of people, they don't know if nagko-cross na ba sila ng line or not. Kasi
Mm.
minsan there's like a thin line when it comes to like kayo na and you're treating a person as if kayo na pero hindi man talaga,
Talaga
diba?
kayo.
So, hindi mo pwede.
So, pag narinig ko yung word na crossing the line, for example, nililigawan pa nung guy si girl. Tapos yung parang yung guy, pinagbabawalan na siyang lumabas with friends, bawal ka na magsuot ng mga shorts or revealing clothes, something like that, na parang hindi pa naman kayo, di pa kayo mag-asawa para
Yeah.
pagbawalan siya ng mga ganung bagay. Tama ba?
So feeling mo kailangan mag-asawa na sila para mag-ganyan?
I mean,
I do understand that point, Stacey. I feel like even when you guys are married, you still shouldn't really restrict them. You should just let people like sort of be and embrace whoever they want to be at that point in time. Unless they are bringing like harm to themselves or danger to themselves, then you should probably intervene and stop them. But yeah, let people be who they want, wear what they wear, do what they wear, go out when they want to go out.
sa point
But
na
yeah,
ganun, parang, syempre, depende naman sa mga mag-asawa kung trip nung
That's just my
guy
opinion.
na magbawalan siya na manamit ng ganyan, go out with friends. Pero yung kapag wala pa naman kayo, pero ganun na mag-act yung guy, parang that's crossing the line na. Bakit mo ko pinagbabawa? Di pa naman kita sinasagot, ganun. So parang yung karapatan ng girl,
Gets.
parang kung ako yung girl, tas may nanliligaw sa akin na parang pinagbabawalan ako na lumabas with Beanie, parang ayoko na, huwag mo na akong ligawan, break na tayo. Ganun.
Let's
Tama
break
ba?
up now.
Tama ba yung
Oo,
ano?
gets ko naman. Pero feeling ko, depende na rin yun sa boundaries na sinet mo Like,
True.
parang depende na yun sa girl kung hanggang dito ka lang, hanggang ito lang pwede mong
Limiting.
gawin. Parang yung mga ganong bagay. Pero feeling ko rin, may mga guys na hindi pa nga sila umaamin or something. Nagfi-feeling jowa na sila agad.
Kayo mga
Hahawakan yung
lalaki.
kamay mo. Parang,
Jowa mo.
oo, yung mga ganon. Tapos like, ano yun yung buhok mo. Like, uy, hindi tayo ganun
Ayaw mo
for
ng
today's
ganun.
video.
Ayaw mo ng ganun.
Hindi, ayoko ng ganun kapag hindi ko naman siya gusto or like hindi siya
Oo. Or
umaamin.
kapag wala pang kayo.
Tapos like hindi siya clear with what that person wants. Gusto ko yung may boundaries siya. He respects my space unless like kami na ganon. Like,
Ano bang ibibigay mong advice sa mga insensitive na guys na parang ginagawang jowa na yung girl kahit hindi pa naman?
oh my
Anong gusto mong
gosh.
sabihin sa kanila? Go.
Ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo ay, hoy, umayos kayo dyan. Hindi pwedeng ganyan. Pero, gets naman if you're looking to have fun, pero make sure that there's consent from the girl, okay?
Tama.
Dapat nafe-feel mong
Of
na
course.
she's reciprocating what you're giving. If not, adi, back off. Like, you should give her
Tsaka,
respect.
sa culture ng mga Pinoy or kung
Mm-mm.
ano man na parang mga babae talaga dapat nirerespeto. Lalo na yung kapag sa family ng girl na syempre kunwari only child siya or siya unika iha, dapat talaga respetuhin mo siya. Like yung di lang basta-basta hawakan yung kamay or i-kiss sa cheeks, gano'n.
You have to be
Yeah.
respectful. Yeah.
Ayun. So, anong nafe-feel mo pag Itong bagong term na to,
I feel like
gaslighting.
we're gonna touch on gaslighting it, but I feel like a lot of these, like, I'm sort of learning from what Stacey and Miko are saying. Even though I've heard a lot of these points sort of echoed before. It's actually nice. Like, I'm kind of learning like how to treat a woman in a weird way,
Gaslighting.
or
Yeah.
indirectly. I'm learning how to treat a
Marami na akong
woman,
experience sa mga ganyan.
or
Hindi lang
directly.
sa jowa, MU, or
Ano ba ibig
friends
sabihin
din.
ng gaslighting?
Gaslighting means, kunwari, may ginawa kang ikabubuti yung pareho. Pero yung, parang ikaw yung, parang ikaw yung,
Parang
ikaw
ako yung,
Instead, they're
parang pinagmumukha niyang
manipulating.
mali.
Ikaw yung mali,
Oo,
oo.
parang minamanipulate niya. Uy,
Mm-mm.
serious ano to
Totoo.
Like, nung ni-research ko to, research talaga. It actually is a serious form, it's a serious way of manipulating a person. So, ano talaga siya, nakaka-traumatize
Ang hirap
minsan.
ng ganun kasi, kunwari, gusto mo lang naman yung ikabubuti nyo pareho. Like, kunwari, may bringing up ka sa partner mo na parang ayoko ng ganong attitude mo, ganyan, ayoko yung namamahiya ka. Tapos parang sasabihin niya sa'yo na parang, ginagawa ko lang yun para sa ikabubuti mo, ganyan, ganyan. Tapos parang ikaw tuloy yung parang magsusorry, tapos siya hindi siya magsusorry, ganun.
Or sometimes may situations
Very
na,
high form of
let's say may
manipulation,
ginawa
yeah.
kang, hindi naman talaga mali, pero he pointed it out. Tapos sinasabi niya
But
na
I think with gaslighting, I think everyone is sort of at fault in like doing it. I think everyone does it, but there's definitely levels, like in terms of high form of manipulation and then like a lower form of manipulation for sure.
Dahil ginawa mo to, gagawin ko to, like, or pag ikaw,
Kapag,
you
oo.
bring something up sa kanya, sasabihin niya, ganito lang naman kasi ako dahil sa mga ginagawa mo. Yung parang
Totoo,
ganun,
tama.
kasalanan ko
Perfect.
pa na may problema kang ginawa. Like, yung mga ganun
Oo.
bagay.
Tapos yung kunwari ikaw na nga yung nagsusorry, ganyan. Tapos siya pa yung ma-pride na parang hindi ka niya kakausapin like for a day, ganun. Tapos ikaw parang nahihirapan ka na kasi gusto mo lang naman yung maging maayos yung communication niyo. Pero,
Tama.
di ba?
Or may bringing up ka, tapos siya yung nagalit bigla.
Nagalit bigla.
Tapos siya kailangan mong suyuin. May na-experience ka na bang ganyan?
Oo, maraming beses na. Sobrang daming beses kong na-experience yung ganyang treatment. Like, mga gaslighter na mga guys, or hindi lang sa guys, of course, sa mga friends ko rin, like before Beanie pa, na kunwari gusto mo lang naman yung, for example, gusto mo yung lumabas with your friends, ganun. Tapos, siya ayaw niya. Tapos sasabihin mo, parang, gusto ko lang naman makipag-bonding, ganyan. Tapos sasabihin niya na parang,
Wala ka
bakit
ng
ayaw,
oras para sa akin.
wala na tayong bebe time, ganun.
Bebe time!
Ay!
Wala, parang may
Bebe
hinuhugutan ka
time.
sa ako
Wala naman. Naalala ko lang yung mga experiences ko nun.
Okay. So, ito na naman yung
Flashbacks.
nakita kong bagong term. It's called breadcrumbing. Alam mo ba to?
First time
Breadcrumbing, I've never heard of that.
Oh, well,
Ano yun?
I'm
Ikaw
gonna tell you.
mag-explain,
Okay,
go.
I will explain. So, breadcrumbing it's like, you're giving enough information, enough energy, enough effort to a certain person.
Oh, wait, is that when you like only feed people like certain small bits of information, but you don't give them the full like story or like truth? Maybe? I don't know.
To let them know that you're interested at the same time.
I think I
you
have
won't
heard of
commit.
this.
My
Like,
God.
Sakto lang binibigay mo sa kanila a perfect amount
Yeah.
para they'll be stuck to you. But, hindi ka talaga committed at all. Parang sadyang gusto mo lang yung gawin. So, you're like leading on a person, you know? Alam mo yun?
Gets, oo.
Gets mo?
Gets ko yun.
So,
Di ko alam kung tama ko, pero ang naintindihan ko, parang pinapakita yung interesado siya sa'yo, pero hindi pala siya willing mag-commit. Ganon.
Oo, hindi siya willing to commit. Tsaka, parang, he's doing that or she, ginagawa niya yun kasi nga, hindi talaga siya interested. Pero ginagawa niya lang yun for like short-term thing.
So, hindi siya yung parang date to marry, something like
Oo,
that.
hindi. For fun lang talaga.
Bakit ba kasi ginagawa ng mga tao yun for fun? Diba?
Kasi may mga certain, feeling ko may mga eras sila na gusto nila na
Bored na sila sa
bored
buhay,
lang
ganun.
sila,
So,
or
naghanap lang sila ng kausap.
or experience or things like that. Or siguro na heartbroken sila, kaya parang
Tapos,
gusto nilang bawiin lahat
oo.
ng sakit through dating anyone, you know.
Pero kawawa yung mga biktima ng ganun. So,
Oo, totoo.
kawawa sila. So, yeah, think twice before You eat. Char.
Ito naman, ito yung cute na meaning eh. Platonic soulmate. Ang alam ko si Stacy yung she wanted to talk about this. Why?
Hindi, kasi meron ako nakita sa TikTok. Like, meron ako nakita sa feed ko, sa For You page.
Honestly, platonic relationships, I've been hearing about that over and over and over and over and over. I think it's one of those things amongst like Gen Zs again, which is like it's super popular now.
Sa TikTok na parang super best friends sila. Like, as in, lahat ng mga best friends. Lahat ng mga ginagawa ng mag-best friend, nagawa nila.
Oo.
Girl and boy sila. Pero, hindi sila mag-jowa. Gets ba? Hindi sila
Oo.
mag-girlfriend, boyfriend.
Oo.
BFF talaga sila. Pero yung mga ginagawa nila is parang mag-jowa na. Like, sleep on call, naglalaro sila, online games, video games, ganun. Tas lumalabas sila, ganun. So, parang, gets ba? Parang
Gets ko.
platonic soulmates. Pero, parang ang pagkakaintindi ko dun,
Do you guys believe in platonic soulmates? So I think my question is like between a boy and a girl, do you guys have that sort of, does anyone have that sort of relationship currently? Because I feel like those are really hard to find, especially when it's with the opposite sex. So male and female platonic soulmates, like girl boy best friends. Like you see it in movies a lot, but I feel like in real life, those are like very rare and you like hardly ever find them. Maybe I just don't get out
grabe
enough.
yung,
But
parang gusto nila yung isa't
I
isa,
feel like
pero
I
hindi
feel like
sila
that doesn't
umaano.
really happen a
Tama ba?
lot.
Parang ganun.
Hindi. Ang alam ko yung platonic
Tama
kasi,
ba?
yung meaning ng platonic, it means there are no romantic feelings towards each
Yes, oo,
other.
tama.
So parang yung platonic, it's just very like it's just friendship talaga. Like you love the person as a friend, or like you feel like ka-family mo sila ganun. Pero nothing
Yeah.
romantic. So feeling ko platonic soulmate, it's like soulmate mo siya pero hindi magiging kayo ever kasi
Sakit
Mm.
naman yun.
hindi naman. May mga situations talaga ganun. Pero feeling ko sobrang hirap.
Yeah, I honestly side with Stacy here. I feel like that does kind of suck. But like for me, I just don't understand it, and I haven't ever experienced something like that. But it probably is something that a lot of people experience. But to me, it seems like it's very rare. I don't know anyone who's like that.
Iwasan na.
Hindi mo
Oo,
magustuhan.
hindi
Who
mo
has that sort of
Yun yung gusto
relationship?
kong sabihin, oo. Ikaw ba, nagkaroon ka ba ng platonic soulmate?
Feeling ko hindi.
Never pa.
Never.
As in,
Ikaw?
Never. Never
so,
pa.
so nagugusto.
Because like, yeah, every time I hear about a platonic soulmate, it usually only happens when like either the male or the female likes like one another, and then the other person's like, no, let's just be friends. We can keep our relationship platonic. And it's like, okay, but the other person didn't really want that. Then they usually just end up not being friends anyway. But I'm sure it does
Saan
happen.
mo siya or siya nagkakagusto sa'yo?
Never pa nga ako nagka-experience ng ganun. Ng ka-platonic soulmate.
Oo
Never
nga.
pa.
So lagi bang ikaw yung nagkakagusto una? Or
Ako,
siya?
Depende. Depende sa akin. Kunwari, ako kasi nung high school, marami talaga akong crush. As in, grade 7 era ko, sobrang dami kong crush. Like, pumapasok ako para hindi naman para magpapansin, para lang, hala, tignan sila, yun yung crush ko, nagbabasketball, gano'n. Pero, hindi ako yung nagpa-first move. Like, hindi ako yung nag-a-add friend
Tama.
sa una, ganun. Siyempre, yung ano ko ba, parang yung pride ko na, ay, ayoko, porket pa-crush ko yan, i-add ko na agad, ganun. Parang, sila yung nauuna. Sila yung
So,
nag-a-add
sila
sa akin.
dapat.
Sila dapat. Pero, gets ba? Parang
So
hindi ako
dapat sila yung mag-first move. Yun yung perspective mo. Pero what if like, may friends kang girl na nagsasuggest sa'yo, like, oh, ikaw naman mag-first move. Gagawin mo ba yung first move na yun?
feeling ko sa akin hindi. Hindi ko gagawin. Kasi ang hirap eh. Parang ako kasi mahiyain ako. Mahiyain talaga ako.
I feel that.
parang
I feel
mahirap
that.
for me na mag-first
Mahihain
move.
ka pala.
Mahiyain na ako. Nahihirapan ako mag-first move kahit add lang sa Facebook or follow sa Instagram. Parang iniisip ko na agad yung mga iisipin nila. Ay, type ako nito kaya ako inano. So parang ganun yung mindset ko. Ikaw ba? Okay ka lang na mag-first move?
Ako, feeling ko kung seryoso ako sa tao, hindi. Hindi ako
Wala.
mag-first move.
You
Kasi
won't make the
ang
first
gusto ko
move?
yung taong i-date ko. Ako rin kasi, gusto ko date to marry. Hindi ko kaya yung casual dating. Like,
Casual.
ang dami mong ina-entertain na guys at the same time. You're talking to so many guys. I feel like it's so draining. And parang I don't enjoy that at
Yung
all.
maraming kausap na
Oo,
guy.
hindi ko talaga gusto yun. Kaya gusto ko if a guy I wanna date, gusto ko pag seryoso ako sa kanya, siya talaga yung mag-first move. Tsaka siya yung
Tama, oo.
mag-e-effort, siya yung manliligaw,
Pero
gano'n.
But like, how does the guy know that though? Like, speaking as a guy, I feel like a lot of women have that expectation that the guy needs to go over and make the first move. But like, how does the guy know that? So like, Mika just said if she really, really likes a guy, that guy still needs to come over and make the first move. Shouldn't it be like a 50-50 thing? Sometimes women make the first move, sometimes men make the first move. But I feel like with most women, they expect the guy to make the first move. That's just my opinion. I'm not sure if that's true or if it holds up with what a lot of viewers think, but most of the time it is like that. Hopefully, we do get to a point in society where it's more 50-50. But when it comes to relationships, I do understand a lot of people are shy. Myself, I'm shy as well. So if you think about it, there's probably so many opportunities that were missed because people were too shy to say something, and it leads to relationships never ever happening, which is, it's kind of sad,
Pero iba-iba
but
naman tayo
it's
ng opinion. Kasi
reality.
meron ding ibang guys, meron ding ibang girls na gusto yung babae yung mag-first move, yung lalaki yung mag-first move, ganun.
Mm.
And ako, gusto ko yung lalaki yung mag-first move kasi, first move? First move. Kasi, 'di ba, like yung mga kapanahon, mga noon-noon, like yung mga lalaki talaga nag-e-effort, yung naggigita. Gusto ko nga ma-experience yun eh, yung
Yung hinaharana ka.
oo, yung nasa second floor
Oo.
ako ng bahay tapos tinitignan ko lang siyang
Or
ganun.
magto-throw sila ng mga
Bulak-
stones
Stones out the
puso.
window.
Oo.
Parang movie, ganun. Tapos lalabas ka, oh my God.
Pero
Ganon.
alam mo yung depende rin sa country depende rin sa culture nila.
Tama.
Kasi
Mm.
ang alam ko like sa western side,
Oo.
very uso yung parang yung girl yung
First
nagfa-first move
move.
rin, yung parang oh, can I have your number? Ganon. Siya yung parang a tap on the guy's shoulder and ask like the number, like, hey, I think
Ako
you're
kasi,
cute. Wah!
oo. Ako kasi very Pinoy yung ko, yung
Ako
ugali
din.
ko. So, ayun, mas gusto ko yung guy.
Yeah, I think just what like Mika touched on, maybe it's a culture thing. Maybe in like culture and obviously country thing. So maybe just in my country, things are not the same as in like a lot of Western countries. Maybe, I don't know. Could just be country culture thing. That's why I'm seeing things the way they are. But in other parts of the world, a lot of women do ask guys out for their number and stuff like that.
So, ano yung learning natin for the day?
Ikaw mauna.
Okay, ang learning ko ang learning ko for the day is that ang dami palang terms ngayon. Actually, ngayon
There
ko lang 'to
honestly are so many
pinag-usapan.
terms nowadays. I can't
Ngayon pa
keep
lang
up.
namin 'to napag-usapan and it's like, I never ko na-realize na ang daming terms ginagawa ng mga tao ngayon kasi ang dami na ring confusion yung nangyayari sa love life relationships or like friendships or complications and everything else. So, parang feeling ko mag-set na lang kasi kayo ng final label, single, dating, and taken. Yun na yun. Tama na. Huwag
Tatlo
na
lang. O, tama.
oo.
Ako yung learnings ko today, ano yung sinabi? Breadcrumbs? Ano yung sinabi?
Breadcrumbing.
Hindi,
Breadcrumbing.
ako, ang natutunan ko today, kasi dati, like yung sinabi ko, yung pre-beanie experience ko, parang, parang, nag-uusap lang kami for fun. So, sa mga panahon ngayon, like, super busy na ng mga tao, di ba? Like, ang dami nang ginagawa. So, kung gusto nyo talagang mag-commit sa isang tao, kung gusto nyo talagang siya na, dapat gawan nyo ng paraan, mag-effort, ganyan, and dapat, kung talagang
Consistent.
consistency, dapat confident ka sa sarili mo, and dapat mahalin mo talaga siya at wag manloloko, something like that. Ayun.
Something
Yeah,
like that.
something like that. Yeah. Kasi kung talagang mahal mo yung taong yun, dapat gagawa ka ng paraan at dapat no to cheating talaga.
Tsaka
Mm.
feeling ko, dahil ang daming terms na nag-exist, it causes more confusion. Kaya parang, you should decide what you want and of course, like, communicate. Dapat talaga mag-communicate kayo and you should be honest from the start. And
True.
Hindi pwedeng you're beating around the bush, pinapaasa mo yung tao.
Ang hirap magpaasa, ang hirap
Oo.
umasa talaga. Like sa mga experience ng yung mga na-encounter ko, like yung mga kaibigan natin na napaasa, ganyan. Parang questionin tuloy nila yung sarili nila kung ano bang pagkukulang ko, ganun, bakit
Mm.
ba ginawa
Mm.
sa akin ganito, ganyan. Bakit ba pinaasa lang ako? So parang
Oo.
kung
Tapos igo-ghost ka
ma-experience,
lang bigla, 'di
oo, like
ba?
i-ghost, yung hindi ka kakausapin bigla. Parang, so sa mga taong mahilig magpaasa, please, kung may chance kayo na wag gawin yun, wag nyo talagang gawin kasi mahirap talagang umasa. So, dapat, ayun, be kind always kasi hindi natin alam kung kailan ang end of the world.
Pero wait, before everything, gusto ko mo rin i-bring up 'tong nakakatuwang term talaga.
Nakakatuwa or tawa?
Nakakatawa.
Tawa, okay, go.
It's called zombieing.
Zombieing?
What?
Ano yun?
Zombieing? I've actually
Kasi may
never heard of that.
ghosting, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
So pag ginost ka, aalis siya. So yung zombieing, yung babalik yung ng ghost sa'yo.
Oh my God, totoo ba?
Oo.
Kasi ang
Kasi
alam ko,
zombie, you're back from the dead
oo.
eh.
Kasi ang alam ko, ghosting, ang akala ko,
So ghosting, they never ever come back. Zombieing, they come back. That's interesting. Zombieing. I've never heard of that before.
wala nang susunod sa ghosting. May
Pero-
mga ganun pala na
Oo, kaya nga nagulat
bumabalik.
rin ako eh.
Totoo ba?
So, anong mangyayari if bumalik yung ng ghost sa'yo?
Sa akin?
Mm-mm.
Depende. Kunwari, love ko talaga yung taong yun at napamahal ko siya.
Ah,
Napamahal ko
napamahal
siya. Kung
talaga?
napamahal ako sa kanya. Like, hindi. Kunwari ano lang naman. Like, talagang nagustuhan ko yung ugali niya. Tapos sadya lang na ng ghost siya. Tapos pag bumalik siya sa akin, depende. Feeling ko kakausapin ko siya ulit. Kasi what if mag-work naman kayo sa oras na yun. Ganun.
Depende sa rason na
Mm-mm.
ibibigay
Bigay
niya.
Oo.
Hala, hindi yan pwede.
Ikaw ba? Hindi ka na.
Ayoko ng ganun.
Ako okay lang ako na magbigay ng
Feeling ko
second
rin,
chance.
pero feeling ko though, if talagang nagustuhan mo talaga, it depends on like how strong your feelings are for that person. Kaya, hindi mo na mapipigilan sarili mo na i-forgive siya and like, continue where you guys left off, ganun.
Mm.
So ikaw, hindi mo na siya bibigyan ng chance na makabalik sa'yo?
Depende.
Oh, depende, di ba? Depende
Depende
talaga
sa
siya.
feelings ko para sa kanya, ganun.
Pero
I feel like I'm probably so strict on giving second chances, like just based off what I've done in the past. I'm sort of like cutthroat. Nope, that happened. No second chance. Not going back. But I don't
kung
know.
talagang
Things
talagang,
change. Like when it comes to
hindi
love and
forgivable
relationships
yung
over time,
reason niya. Talagang
things
hindi ko siya
just
bibigyan
change
ng chance.
all the
So,
time.
kasi
So
hindi na deserve yun.
who's
eh.
to say how I
magpapaganda
act in
ako
the
lalo
future?
Para tignan niya kung ano yung sinayang niya.
Sinayang mo. I think I learned this term from my friends. Group
Go.
of friends ko. So parang, may kinakwento ako sa kanila, tapos biglang sabi nila, oh my gosh, nila-love bomb ka niya.
Anong meaning na love? Ang
So-
dami na pala ngayon.
So it's like love bombing. So love bombing
Love
is like,
bombing?
when the guy talks to you at first, of course, he's gonna put his best foot forward. And love bombing is like, grabe siya magbigay ng gifts at first, grabe siya yung maging consistent,
Gets.
grabe yung lahat-lahat na yun. Let's say, for the first week,
Wait lang. Itatry kong i-guess ha. Itatry ko
Ah.
lang i-guess. Kunwari, sa una lang siya magaling. Ganun. Pero pag
Oo.
nakuha ka na niya, stop na siya. Tama ba?
Oo,
Tama?
yung ganun. Tapos
Okay,
biglang
gets.
magiging cold na siya, magiging red flag, magiging toxic,
Mm.
magiging gaslighter, manipulative.
Walking red flag.
I don't even know like a lot of guys, but just based on media and stuff that I've seen, I feel like a lot of guys are like this. Why do I feel like a lot of guys are like this? But most relationships do go like this, where you do put your best foot forward initially, and then you sort of like tone it down a bit afterwards. But I feel like in this scenario, it's like you like a completely different person. So I get it. I get it.
Oo. Yung ganun, yung parang, asa na ba yung lalaking nagustuhan ko nung una?
Oo, ang
Yung
dami ko
ganun.
nakikita. Parang, he's not the guy that I met before.
Ah? Sa TikTok mo yan nakita, no? Ayun.
Look at me. You're not the guy that...
Parang nagka-conversate sila, this is not you.
It's not you. Look at me in the eye. Ganon. Tama ba ako?
Oo, tama,
Yun pala
tama.
yung tawag na, so love bombing.
Mm-mm,
Tama.
love bombing.
Okay.
So, nung sinabi ng friends ko sa akin, sabi ko, seryoso ka ba? Pero syempre kapag you're in that moment,
So, meron kang experience na ganon. Kaya mo kinuwento.
oo, ganun. Pero hindi ko sure kung love bombing talaga yung ginawa niya eh. Parang it was complicated, you know?
Complicated siya nung una.
Yeah, it was very complicated. Kaya ayun, yun yung nangyari. Pero kinausap ko pa rin siya kasi syempre pag interested tayo, gagawin pa rin natin kahit winorin tayo ng friends. Syempre like, your friends are there to remind you but then
Oo.
advice is only taken if you want to take it, you
Oo,
know? Like,
tama.
it really depends on
This is obviously pre-Bini. I'm just assuming. Right, Mika? Has to
you.
be.
If you're gonna
Makikinig ka sa
listen, you're gonna
kanya.
want to listen.
Kasi ang dami ko rin na-experience sa ganyan. Like, yung mga friends ko before Bini pa na sinasabihan ko na parang, wag mo na yan, wag mo nang balikan yan. Inaano ka lang naman yan. Parang pinaglalaroan ka lang yan. Tapos kinabukasan sila ulit, nag-post sila sa my day nila na parang, what are you willing to do? Ano ba yan? Parang, oh my God. Ganun.
Ayun nga eh, hindi ko na rin alam kasi grabe talaga yung mga attack, like yung impact ng mga actions ng mga tao, like at first, like first impressions talaga, it lasts.
Marami talaga mga ganong experience. So, sana yung mga taong nakaka-experience ng mga ganong bagay ay parang ma-heal yung heart and mind nila. And sana sa mga taong ganon, sana maaral nyo yung lessons nyo. And sana maging mabait lang talaga tayo kasi libre lang maging mabait, guys. And share the love.
Be
Mm.
honest.
Yeah. Yun.
Such wise
So,
words,
dami
such
nating
good
natutunan
teachings.
ngayon today.
I have
And
learned a
sana
lot
may mga
today.
natutunan din ng ating mga listeners.
As a guy, I've learned a lot.
Yes, and of
I
course,
really
thank
have.
you so much for listening to our podcast na mga walang jowa.
Jowa.
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and if you want to watch the rest of our episodes ng podcast ng mga walang jowa, watch it here on Spotify. Watch this podcast episode again on YouTube this coming Monday.
Thank you so
Kung
much again
nagustuhan ninyo
to
ang
Bini Subs
dagdagan,
for doing
lagdagan,
the
at kulitan,
translations.
Please don't forget to rate
Amazing,
podcast
amazing
ng mga
job.
walang jowa 5 stars.
Feel free to drop
I
a
am
comment
honestly loving this podcast.
Spotify app.
The topics that
I'm
they're
Mika.
doing,
I'm Stacy at ito
the conversation's so
ang
good.
podcast ng mga walang jowa. B-I-N-I-B-I-N-I
B-I-N-I-B-I-N-I.
Podcast ng mga walang
Love it. Absolutely love it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my reaction to episode 4. What are we? Bini podcast. I've been enjoying this episode so much. I honestly have. Let me know what you guys think of this episode and the reaction in the comments down below. If there's anything you want to talk about which was spoken about in the episode, I do reply to all comments. So let's talk about it. I want to know what you guys think. I want to know what you guys sort of feel about this episode. Things that were said, things that I said. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Peace and bye.